Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by equipping High Alert on a fast class. Pick an SMG or lightweight rifle so you remain mobile. Make sure to add Tac Mask or Ghost depending on maps. These reduce flinch versus lethal/flash. Once done, crouch walk near common sightlines to bait shoulder peeks. The perk triggers when an enemy aims at you. Your peripheral vision alerts faster. Practice in custom match to learn activation range and animation timing, because knowing when it procs is how you win close duels consistently. Next, time your movement and aim. When High Alert flashes, don't snap aim wildly. Instead, pre-aim the likely target lane and use short bursts to capitalize on the delay in their shots. Make sure to pair with dead silence or double time to close distances while remaining silent. Once comfortable, rehearse strafing patterns that keep your head off common sightlines. The perk rewards peripheral awareness. Drill 1v1 scenarios to build muscle memory, and adjust sensitivity until tracking those edge flashes feels natural. Finally, execute engagements with discipline. When High Alert triggers, take a delayed peek, use the brief extra reaction to profile corners or throw a quick grenade into a suspected position. Make sure to rotate after winning a fight. The enemy may bait your perk. If it fails to activate, check perk slot conflicts and ensure you are not mounted or in a vehicle, because those states disable activation. Troubleshooting tip: test in private match while toggling other perks to isolate conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.